So, yun, hello mga ka-IT. Welcome sa panibagong tutorial. Sa video na ito, andito yung update for video tutorial script na included ang router and stick configuration after ng trunking part. This version is connects VLAN 17 and VLAN 77 via router, and all PCs can communicate across VLANs. But before that, we need to add router, then the cable that we use is copper straight through, then i-track muna natin ang FA0/5. Enable quantity in FA0/5 switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed, VLAN 1777 SIP. Ganon din sa kabila, sa switch 1, enable constant in FA0/5, then switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed, VLAN 1777 exit. Now, yan, nakommand na natin or na-track na natin. We proceed to router. Dito naman tayo magko-configure. Type no, then enter, then enable const. Dito, magsisimula tayo mag-sub interface for VLAN 17. Interface /017 encapsulation DOTQ1Q17. IP address na ginamit natin 168.6.1/24 siya, kaya ito yung subnet na gagamitin natin. Then exit. Then sub-interface lang din natin si VLAN 77 and FA0/0.77. Encapsulation 77. Then the IP address is 192.168.9.1/24, kaya gagamitin natin subnet mask ay ito din. Exit. Now, i-active na natin yung main interface. Int FA0/0 no shutdown. Exit. So, yun. Na-configure na natin ang router 1. Fast forward lang natin. Then, let's check kung nagko-communication na yung all PCs. PC1 to PC3. Nasa na yung So, nakikita yun. Ito. Successful. PC2 to PC4. Successful. PC1 to PC2. Oh, fail. Successful. Fast forward lang pag gayon. PC1 to PC4. Fast forward lang ulit. PC2 to PC3. Fast forward. Successful. So, lahat is successful and wala nang nagfe-fail. So, na-configure na lahat ng router on stick, which is lahat ng VLAN is na-configure na. Then, nakakapag-send na rin sila ng message sa isa't isa. Yun lang. Thank you. Salamat sa panonood. Sana nakatulong ito tutorial para mas maintindihan nyo ang trunking at router on stick setup. Thank you.